What's up guys, it's GamerGab. So today, I think you just heard my voice crack earlier. Yo, what's up guys, it's GamerGab. So today, we will be preparing Mitsuyado Sei-Men Tsukumen kit. It's actually pronounced as Tsukumen. It's different from ramen. The noodles and the soup is separate. It's more like a dip. So I guess let's get right into it. So as you can see, the water is boiling. We will put the noodles and boil it for 2 minutes. We just dump it right in like garbage can. Ow, ow, that's hot, ow, ow. Oh my god! What do I do? How do I do that? Just...
There, yeah.
It's so hot, like the Colossal Titan steam. Ah! Ow! No, I wouldn't. So we drain the water from the noodles. And now, as you can see, this very ugly baby thing is the soup. We will put this in here now. Whee! Oh, what's that? I'm scared. Why did I make so much mess? I mean, look at it. So now we will put the Naruto, as I call it, which is this little pink thing over here. Which is the toppings. We are mixing it now. Mix it. I wanna fix it. Mix it. I wanna fix it. Trivia! Did you know my great grandfather fought in World War II? Trivia! Did you know my other grandfather is actually Japanese? So now the Naruto. Is done now, and we will add the finishing mix to some. Oh, and by the way, what I'm gonna do is I am gonna mix it instead. So, I wonder what I will put this. Which one more? This? Oh, yes. So now, I will put the noodles with the popas. Ah, that's hot. So, you have any mittens? I'm not a kitten. Real men don't use mittens.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! That didn't go as planned.
What?
I didn't listen to what my mom said. So now I will show you a better end product later. See you next time. Bye bye. Please subscribe.